Today I'm going to be trying an IPA, which I usually don't do, but this one looked different. So this one's Belching Beaver Brewery. It's out of California, Oceanside, California. It's called Orange Vanilla IPA. It's 6.9% alcohol. It says it's ale with natural flavor added. So, I mean, it looked kind of cool, but it smells really hoppy. So it's got like a sweet smell and a hoppy smell at the same time. Yeah, it smells hoppy. That foam tastes, you can taste the hops. I guess I can taste the orange in it a little bit. I don't know, I thought it was going to be different. So yeah, the taste isn't horrible. It's just got that grassy, hoppy taste that I really don't like that much. And I don't really taste vanilla or orange in it, but it tastes sweet. It smells like orange. Yeah, so if you like IPAs, you might like this. It's just got that sweet taste to it. It's a little bit cloudy color. So thanks for watching. Like my videos on YouTube, leave comments, and subscribe if you have a YouTube channel. And until next time, cheers.
El Diablo Records. What's up, Steve? Steve Ramirez, Ben Mackey, Cassie, Sheila, Allison. I already talked to you.
Burp. Belching Beaver. Belching Beaver. It's got a little bit of a cloudy. What the fuck? Cloudy what? It's alright. If you like sweet smelling IPAs, then you might like this. So
I did have a funny story about going to the beer store today. I went to Total Wine and More, and there was like 6 people in line and 1 cashier. And there's a guy in front of me. He had 2 big gallons of something, and he yells out, "Can we get another cashier?" And the lady said, "Yeah, just a minute, they're doing changeover." So another guy comes out and opens up the other register. So it goes through all those people, and the guy finally gets up to the register. I jumped over on the other register, but the new guy was. But the guy got up there. The lady rang up his gallons of liquor, or whatever he got, and he didn't have his wallet with him, so he had to leave the store. So he was in there complaining about the cashiers, or not having enough cashiers, and then he didn't even have his wallet to pay. So the cashier was cracking up after he left. Good story. True story.